Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Lumer Pajarillo, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Rodrigo Rojas, National Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Troopers of the Philippine Army. Let's start with jersey number 4, Ms. Leona Denise Santiago. At number 5, Private First Class, Mary Jean Balse. Wearing jersey number 8, our best attacker for this conference, Private First Class, Jovelyn Gonzaga. At number 13, Ms. Rachel Ann Dakis. Wearing jersey number 14, Private Nerissa Bautista. Their team captain is Corporal Cristina Salak. Libero number 15, Miss Christine Agno. Head coach, Sergeant Rico De Guzman. Calling on our Cagayan Valley Lady Rising Suns. Jersey number 4, Maria Paulina Soriano. At number 9, Janine Marciano. Guest player with jersey number 11, Jack Amporn. At number 14, guest player, Pachari Toy Sangmuang. At number 17, our best server for this conference, Chi Saet. And our best scorer and MVP of the conference, number 8, Aiza Maizo Pontillas. Libero, our conference's best receiver, Sheila Marie Pineda. Head coach, Mr. Ernesto Pamilar. Watch out for the flying volleyballs coming your way. Catch one and take it home.
Ayan, namigay na po ng volleyballs dito po sa San Juan Arena, San Juan City. Game number 1 of the finals between Cagayan Valley Lady Rising Suns kontra dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. At bago lahat, si tingin mo magbabago pa ito?
Well, mukhang swerte ka today.
Update natin yan.
Fact remains, top 2 pa rin kayo ni Noreen. It has been like that.
So may
It's been consistent.
May tiebreaker ba dapat na magaganap dito? Maybe it could be this game. Again, hashtag, it's for the fans.
We all love it, of course.
Kinalkula ko na wala na kayong habol magkapatid eh. Maximum nyo na is 5 eh. Pero pag naka-5 ka, ibig sabihin, isa doon akin.
Oo. Kasi meron at meron tayong...
Dapat may ganun tayong competition parati. Sabi na nga ni Seb, doon na lang tayo kumain sa isang restaurant na malapit dito. Ang gusto ko, Tagaytay eh.
Okay lang.
Gonzaga trying to get the first point as the finals are underway dito po sa ating women's division. Rachel Andakis, dug up there by Sangmuang. Long rally kagad na sumalubong sa atin. Aiza Maizo Pontillas, dug up there by Tinagno. Salak going to Gonzaga. Mahabang rally, buhay pa rin. They go to Janine Marciano. Tinagno once again. Tina Salak, big set for Dindin Santiago. And the first point belongs to the Lady Troopers.
Indeed, an exciting start dito sa first set. Habang rally agad nun.
Habang rally, bahala sila. Gusto nilang ganyan.
No,
tapos 5 sets. Papayat kayo lahat dyan. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Tina Salak. Ayan, from the longest point of the match to the shortest point. Service error. 1-all. Here's Chi Saet ngayon. Of course, maganda serve percentages ni Chi Saet. Dakis on the reception. Here's Salak now, sending it back to Rachel. Rachel, nahanap yung linya at napangiti na lang doon si Chi Saet. Si Rachel, first set, second set lang naglalaro yan, tapos ipapahinga na siya ng mahaba, no?
Pero yun nga, kagandahan din dito sa lineup ng Philippine Army. Malalim yung paghuhugutan mo talaga na players. So,
papalit sa'yo, Joan Bunag lang naman.
Diba? Parang so the luxury of Coach Rico to really replace and switch his lineup, nandun talaga.
And that will be a backliner. Ito si Chi Saet. So it's illegal block. So 3-1 para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. Meron ka pa Mina Agano na nakatago dyan, di ba? Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Dindin Santiago. Sharp serve. Nandun naman si Sangmuang. Amporn on the push. Salak. Sinagip na lang ang tira dito ni Amporn. Here's Chi Saet sending it high for Janine Marciano. And Gonzaga sends it back. Running attack, hindi. Napunta kay Aiza Maizo.
Good play by Cagayan.
na hindi nagkaintindihan doon. Actually, doon sa open, nasira-sira yung play nila. But it looked like Amporn was going to go for the runner. Tapos biglang nakialam si Aiza. So, baba sa isang abante rito ng Philippine Army. Amporn Hiyapa. Salak now, going to Balse. Dug up there by Sang Muang. Here is Aiza Maizo, blocked by Dakis. And a free ball given up by Saet. Salak, quick set to Balse. Haba na naman ng rally. Janine Marciano, dug up, pero hindi na maabutan yan. Power strike coming from the former San Beda Lioness.
And for Cagayan, of course, you want to already show that threat against Army early on in the first set, ano?
Amporn once again to serve. Yung mga iniidolo natin dati pag pinapanood natin yung Thailand.
Oo, yan talaga.
Gonzaga misses. Puntos naman para ulit sa Cagayan Valley. So sunod-sunod ito. This is 3 straight points for the Rising Suns. Mikasa is the official ball of the Sheikh East V-League. Amporn. Daming fans dito ng Cagayan Valley present at the arena. Quick set to Balse from Salak.
Great play. Nagmamadali rin itong Philippine Army. Look at that set.
Tama yung punto rito ni Coach Rico. Pag maganda ang first ball nila, lamang sila.
And they have a lot of options.
Oo.
Ano?
Now the remote control serve of Rachel Andakis. Tignan natin kung recharge na yung battery. Alam mo, nalaman ko, ba't pa tayo bibili ng disposable? Bili ka na lang sa damuan na rechargeable. Diba? Mas mura pa lalabas in the long run as Pao Soriano connects. Kaya nga lang, ang dami mong battery charger bigla sa bahay.
Pero okay lang. Diba?
5-4. Janine Marciano now. 21-year-old out of San Beda. To serve. Agno. Salak. Combination. Nene Bautista. Member of the national team. Ilan ba member ng national team dito na napili? Bautista, Gonzaga, Salak, Balse, and Dakis. And Dindin.
Wow.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made.
Ayan. So, practically almost everyone on the floor right now for Philippine Army.
And then Bautista sends it long. Oh, everybody except Tinagno actually. Para naman sa Cagayan Valley, sino ba nalagay sa national team? Si Aiza lang. On the floor. Of course, sa under 23, marami pang kandidata dyan. Like Marciano, di ba? Pwede pa maglaro.
A lot of talent actually to choose from.
Maizo with a service error, tied at 6. Oh,
Pero para sa parehong koponan, ang ganda ng pinapakita nila sa umpisa nitong first set.
Gingbalse now to serve. Into the net. Bawian lang service error.
Yan lang ang yan lang ang nagiging problema nila ngayon. A lot of service errors.
And ngayon, si Pao Soriano as the Sheikh East V-League is powered by Motolite battery pang matagalan. Pao Soriano, former captain of the Adamson University Lady Falcons. Bautista, Salak, Dindin, nakapuwersa ng isa ron. Parang lapit na sa net ng set
Pero nagawan pa rin ng paraan.
Again, si Dindin, pag pumila doon sa open spiker position, very high percentage. Kaya ang daming sasabi, ano kaya, gawin na lang natin opener to si Dindin. Delayed reaction. Here is Amporn on the drop. Balse, walang pupuntahan yan and no problem for Amporn. Dikitan po itong ating laban sa first set. 8-7 Cagayan Valley up by...
Team coach Rico said that before the start, sabi niya sa team sa Lady Troopers is that although natalo nilang Lady Troopers in two games before, hindi sila dapat magpapakumpiyansa for this match. Definitely paghahandaan sila ng Lady Rising Suns. He also said na kailangan maging consistent ang kanilang reception at depensa para maka-opensa sila ng maayos. For the Lady Rising Suns, what's important is they play their game at gawin lang nila kung ano ang kanilang pinapractice sa ensayo. Kailangan hindi sila mawawala ng communication sa loob ng court at magwan silang mawawala ng kumpiyansa. Ana Noel?
Well, may kita natin dito pagdating sa patibayan ng floor defense, hindi magpapaiwan ang magkabilang kupunan as Chi Saet sends it up. Janine Marciano off the block. Bautista Salak ngayon, tatawid, papunta kay Dakis. Nakabang naman si Chisaet. Pero puntos yan para sa Philippine Army.
Nahirapan din si Dakis dun sa
Lapit.
set ni Salak
Oo.
na yun. Malapit at medyo mababa.
Pero still against a much shorter Chisaet. Nagawa ng paraan ni Rachel. Tied at 8. Now Tina Salak. Kumuha ulit na instructions sa bench before she executes her serve. Angat para kay Marciano off the block. Agno once again. Salak on the back set. Gonzaga na ilusot. Si Amporn pa yung dinaanan niya, hindi si Marciano. Ha? Again, the Bionic Guapa has celebrated her 23rd birthday kamakailan lang. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Tina Salak, short serve, fielded by Marciano. Amporn, blocked there by Santiago. Gonzaga sending it to Dindin na wala sa bilang ang Cagayan Valley.
That was well executed for Philippine Army. And talagang advantage ni Dindin Santiago if you take a look at this replay again. Yung reach.
Ayos ba, Guapa?
Tontuwa si Jove.
First set pa lang, ha? First set pa lang daw. And Tina Salak once again to serve. Here's Marciano. Oh, nakuha niya yon sa kamay ni Gonzaga. So si Marciano, nung nakikita natin nung college, puro power talaga ang binibitiwan niya. Ngayon, may halong gulang na yung tira niya.
Of course, that comes with experience also over the years.
Right. Salak, try the one-handed set and that will be overreaching. Salak pala, backliner. Salak, taas lang niya.
Tumalun pa siya.
Oh, taas lang niya, kamay niya eh. Illegal back row na
Tumalun
yun.
pa.
Tumalun pa. 10-all. Saet. Dakis. Here is Gonzaga. Gonzaga off the hands of Amporn. Late si Marciano.
And she acknowledges.
Oh, ang lapit na niya dun eh.
At saka siya yung nasa tamang posisyon because the only ones facing the ball was Saet. At siya, siguro inasahan niyang kukunin ni Pineda.
Ang layo ni Pineda. 11-10 Army. Dindin Santiago once again. Two-time MVP. Pineda. Inangat ni Amporn. Maizo out of position. Salak. Delayed set papunta kay Gonzaga. Grabe si Guapa. First set pa lang, oh.
And you gotta love also the combination plays and the plays that are being set on the side of Philippine Army. Dahil nakakarami na sila ng quick plays. Nagkaroon pa ng combination play na ganito.
Right. Ano naman, celebration. Mamamaos to hanggang mamaya eh. 12-10. First set pa lamang. Here's Dindin. Sharp serve. Pineda. Walang magawa si Saet and that's going to be a violation. Illegal block. Backliner pa rin si Saet. Parati nauhuli siya sa rotation eh, no?
Minsan kasi talaga pag nandun ka sa malapit sa net, instinct na lang. Gusto mong
Hindi, ginawa ni Salak kanina. Backliner siya. Inabangan na lang niya yung hulog, di ba? 13-10.
So far, the biggest lead that we've had in this set.
Hirap na hirap sila sa serve ni Dindin. Marciano across. Dindin keeps it alive. Salak. Back set. Gonzaga misses. So yung hitting errors ni Jovelyn Gonzaga is allowing the Rising Suns to stay close kontra dito sa Lady Troopers. And Amporn serving. Dakis. Salak. Dakis again. Aiza Maizo, nilabanan si Dakis that time. Oh, Pau Soriano. Pero net violation daw si Pau.
And Pau
Hindi daw si Pau, si Aiza.
Let's take a look at that again.
Actually, si Pau was able to power it down. Ayan, no? Ayun, sumabit si Aiza.
Nakita naman talaga.
14-11. Oh, errors para sa magkabilang kupunan. Nagiging problema. Remote control time. Marciano able to field it. Back set. Aiza Maizo. Yes.
Makes up for that violation earlier right away.
14-12. Di kita pa rin po itong ating first set. fans ng Cagayan Valley. Talagang napakaingay dito po sa Game 1.
Full support.
Yup. Janine Marciano again. At pinanood lang ni Dindin lumabas yung bola. So if they can minimize the errors itong Cagayan Valley, alam mo, non-factor pa si Sangmuang at saka si Amporn ngayon, ha?
Oo, dahil wala pa sila masyadong naiko-contribute pa rin, ano?
Here's Gonzaga now. Soriano. Here's Sangmuang off the block and Patsari scores. Maling direksyon pumunta si Dindin and here comes Kapitana. So Tabakero vastly improved sa kanyang laro nung gumaling na siya sa lahat ng injury niya. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Aiza Maizo Pontilla serving. Salak, combination. Bautista, nando naman sa Tabakero. Chisait, iuhulog, binuhay ni Agno. Bautista. Sait again, Soriano. Stop there by Bautista. Sangmuang. Yes.
2 straight points for Sangmuang.
Si Sangmuang, ang talim pa rin ng kanyang atake. Kahit na alam mong parating parang hirap din.
Mahirap basahin.
Oo, mahirap basahin.
In that case, napadaan niya in between the blockers.
Right. 15-14. 1 point lead na lamang para sa Lady Troopers. Gonzaga with the reception. Salak sa kabila. Bautista. Ando na naman si Tabakero. Bautista. Double touch. Si Chisaet. Ginulat na lamang doon si Nene. Wala ka rin naman magagawa kung si Bautista.
Diba?
Tied at 15. So mga errors para sa magkabilang kupunan, allowing this game to stay close. Aiza Maizo Pontillas. Here's Salak, hinulog. Nandun naman si Pineda. Chisaet, Pau Soriano off the head of Bautista. At hindi na masasagip yun ni Tinagno. Dikit pa rin po ang ating laban ng 1 point lead for the Lady Rising.
The free point at ngayon, lamang na sila ng 2.
Which is a luxury the way things are going dito sa ating first set. Aiza Maizo Pontillas. Gonzaga, Salak sa kabila. Bautista, nailusot. Ay, lifting si dito si Chisaet. Yes. Hindi nga double touch, lifting naman.
Oo, hirap na. Sabi ni Ching, hirap nito.
Chisaet again, the heart and soul talaga ng masasabi natin yung pulso nitong Cagayan Valley. 17-16, 1 point lead for the Lady Rising Suns. Ging Balse. Sharp serve again. Chisaet, iniwan para kay Pau. Salak, kabila. Nene Bautista, blocked there by Saet.
Oh.
Bautista, almost. Here is Sangmuang, yes! Patsari Sangmuang ang init na simula.
Oh, a very clean shot at that. Talagang walang tao dun sa down the line area. Look at this. Walang nakadepensa in that corner.
18-16, 2 point lead for Cagayan Valley. Set number 1. Pau Soriano. Bautista, Salak, Santiago. Nice anticipation there by Amporn. Now Amporn on offense and she will miss. Si Amporn, palangiti pala itong babaeng ito.
Oo, palagi siya nakasmile.
Oo.
Pero, parang tahimik lang din siya.
Right.
Malamang tahimik din nga siya dahil may language barrier. But she seems quiet on the floor.
Well, let's see if that will change para dito sa Cagayan Valley. They need her help. Saet gets it across. Dakis off the block. Tabakero on her knees. Saet against Santiago. Mismatch. Saet again. Amporn!
Running hit.
Ang liit na nga lang ng dadaanan. Dinaan pa sa running.
Kayang-kaya niya. The ball was a bit short na konting step lang yung ginawa niya. Hindi na siya nag-approach. But perfect angle for Amporn.
Now Sangmuang. Agno. Salak. Kabila. Dakis. Over the defense. Saet. Kay Angge. Angge. Dadaanin sana sa kamay ni Tina Salak. Binuhay naman ni Gonzaga. Dakis. Kept alive. And Pineda cannot keep it going. Again, a good drop shot para dito kay Rachel Andakis. 19-18. 1 point lead for Cagayan Valley. Tina Salak. Pineda. Saed, running attack. Ampon again. Naabangan ni Dakis. They go to Tabaquero. Off the hands. Kanina pa ginagawa ni Kapitana yon. Finally, nakakuha na siya ng angulo against Gonzaga. 20-18 ang ating score. Cagayan Valley up by 2 first set action. Saed, Bautista, Salak sa kabila. Dakis, delayed the attack and it is out.
He's trying to go for that down the line area. Niya talaga.
21-18, Saed into the net. So good timeout there para sa koponan ng Philippine Army. They ice one of the best servers. And here's another one na magandang record pagdating sa serbisyo.
And during the earlier part of the first set, nahirapan ng Cagayan na i-receive ang service itong si Dindin Santiago.
Nice serve again. Pontillas, Tabaquero, Salak, Gonzaga. Masyado malapit para kay Dakis. Binuhay naman ni Bautista. Gonzaga, kept alive. Here is Tabaquero. Salak, kabila. Gonzaga, off the block and it's in. Never say die si Guapa.
Philippine Army making sure na didikit sila dito sa Cagayan. Actually, itong first set, halos nagpapalitan lang itong dalawang teams na to.
21-20. Dindin Santiago again. That one goes way out. 22-20. Amporn serving. Nice short serve. Salak. Gonzaga. Nagkatapakan sila doon ni Tabaquero, but that point will go to Cagayan Valley. Is part of the national team. So gusto mo namang, laban tayo pero ayaw mo namang mapilayan yung kalaban. Salak. Balse, yes. So they get 1 point back. Pero lamang pa rin po ng dalawa, Cagayan Valley. Eto na si Dakis to serve. So si Dakis, ang kanyang ritual, tumagal na ng tumagal no?
Naghahanda lang, taking her time.
Yan. Pineda with a good reception. Ayos Pontillas, block. Oh, that stays in.
Sangmuang expecting that it would go out.
Great defense by Ging Balse. Rachel Andakis serving now. Trying to tie things up. Chisaet, adjust ng konti. Ayos Pontillas. Kept alive by Salak. Balse. Dug up there by Sangmuang. Tabaquero, tawid. Papunta rito kay Aiza Maizo. Salak. Bautista. Nice dig by Sangmuang. Tabaquero. Agno cannot get it. Na-eclipse si Agno nitong si Dakis. Two set points, yes.
At si Salak calming down her teammates right now, Noel.
2 set points para dito sa koponan ng Cagayan Valley on the serve of Kapitana. Salak standing still pero nabasa yung tira doon ni Gonzaga. Soriano, malakas.
No check.
No check ball. So baba ulit sa 1 punto sa abante ngayon ng Cagayan Valley. Now the reigning MVP, or the reigning finals MVP, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Maizo, Saet, Sangmuang. Napayakap si Sangmuang sa poste. Tabaquero, Saet, back set to Aiza Maizo. Agno, Sala, quick set to Balse, muntik na mahulog. Sangmuang, dug up there by Tiragno. Saet, back set, Maizo.
Hindi na nakahabol si Ging.
And Maizo scores against her former UST captain, 25-23. What